2 cups minute rice. Fajita vegetables. Now I'm just coming in with my raw chicken breast. 2 cans cream of chicken soup. You can use another variety if you prefer. I'm just gonna get everything out of these. All my cream and all my chicken. Perfect. And we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna smooth this out over our chicken, making sure that it is covered. Now I've got 2 cans of Rotel with the juice. Perfect. We're getting these chickens all covered. Now I've got some soured cream, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put, you know, about half of this 1 pound container in there. So I believe, yeah, this is 16 ounces. So I'm putting 8 ounces, about the equivalent of a block of cream cheese. Now I'm gonna add in some of my Himalayan pink salt. That looks good. I'm gonna put this actually all around here. Some freshly cracked black pepper. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Some garlic powder. Oh, my absolute favorite ingredient ever. Makes everything tasty. Yum. And a little bit of onion powder. Perfect. Now this is gonna be nice and flavorful. We're gonna put in a little chili powder. Spice up your life. Yum. And I'm gonna throw in some cumin powder. This is just gonna bring that flavor all the way home. I love cumin. For a little more liquid to cook that minute rice, I'm gonna put some chicken broth in here, maybe just about 2 cups. Look at that, and it's spreading those spices out perfectly. And I'm just gonna top this with some Colby Jacques, and we'll just let that spread out a little bit. I'm reserving a little bit for later. Okay, just to finish this off, I have got 1 stick of butter here. Oh my gosh, y'all, it is warm today. It's melting up. I did take it out of the fridge just to pre-cut it into pats. And it is, there we go, perfect. That looks so good. Alrighty, y'all. I am just putting my lid on. We're gonna have this on high for 4 hours. Alrighty, everyone, it's been 4 hours on high, and our beautiful dinner here is ready. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. With that soup, with our sour cream, our rice down in here, that Rotel, look at that rice, perfect. Oh my goodness, y'all. This looks so good. And now let's just cut into our chicken here. You can always pull this out and dice it up if you prefer. Oh, look at that, perfectly cooked. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Of course, you know, if you haven't tried the little technique before where you just use the beaters on your electric mixer, you can also shred your chicken that way if you prefer to have it shredded. But I am just going to get right on in here. That's some juicy chicken, y'all. You gotta try it.